guys, today we are playing Toilet Tower Defense with my buddy Dites. Hi, I'm playing with this dude. Yes, and he's my classmate. By the way, shout out to Nate. Okay, so these are my loadouts, and then subscribe and like. Yeah. Shout out to him. Big shout out to him. Yep. Wait, let me try this. ILTK team. Yes, the ILTK gives you luck. Okay. I'm gonna read it for you guys. And guys, okay, come on, just say it. Say it, buddy. Just say it. Just say it. Just say it. Okay, what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? Join the ILTK team. ILTK team. ILTK team. It gives you the luck, guys. ILTK. And also, okay, what are you gonna say? No, okay, just say it, just say it. Just say, I just kind of got, when there hits 100 subs, I will give him any unit that he has in my inventory. Oh, okay. But, but, but I have to pick it. Oh, okay. Bro, subscribe. ILTK team. Guys, ignore what does it mean. Ignore it. What does it mean? VT, but no, don't say it. No, don't you dare say it. I am giving a shout out there. Okay. Oh yeah, it's 2024. Just say it. Just say it. Just say it. Okay, that's. Yep, it means I love teacher Kiana. That's what it means. I love teacher Kiana. This is just autocorrect. It's just because Nate, you have autocorrect. Bro literally has autocorrect. Autocorrect is so annoying. Yep, it's very good. So my son to TV man is at level 4. And then guys, let me guys show something. I love teacher Kiana for real. I'm not sus guys. I mean not that I mean I bro I am we're just in calls guys. Okay, so my all my Santa now level 5. What now? What? There's one here. Chum na wapap. Bro, can I listen to music for a while? Yep. Can I listen to music? Oh yeah, yeah, thank you. And take you. You guys know this song? Comment down. And then by the way, Nate, you will not know where did I learn that song? Okay, you will not know. That's Tagalog. Wait, bro, bro, you call me dumb, bro. I'm good in every subject. You, I thought you're talking about my schooling, though. Bro, even I'm good in math. You, I'm good in math, bro. I'm good in math. He means not in school. Mission. Why? Can I even listen to music? You're in the mood and take you to the moon. Just like a movie scene. Save up for two. Wait, maybe this, maybe this. Wait, Nate, wait for a while. Guys, I'm gonna troll Nate for a while, guys. I'm gonna troll Nate for a while. Okay, so I'm gonna sing. Can I sing you a song, Nate? I don't know if you know this song. Yep, I forgot. We might get Titan Drillman from this. Yes. Can I guys? Can I sing you a song? Wait. Can I sing you a song? Wait. Here's the intro. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces class, and roll down. You know that song? By the way, where do I, what do I do next? Titan Cinema Man? Here? Wait. How? It was. Yep, Nightmare's better. Wait. miss you. And now I wonder the star in the sky. Yep, POV. Where? Use ILTK. ILTK better. Wait. ILTK lock. Let me try this. Oh! Yo! Camera woman. Sometimes it sometimes it fails. It always works, guys. It's because I'm a little bit wait, wait, can I tell you something? Can we sell? Okay, let's go sell. So we have to okay, and then nightmare. Yep. And there's a 1% chance that we might lose. Let me just listen to music. By the way, Nate, you will never know where did I. Can I tell you something? Yo, wait. You'll never know where did I know that song, okay? Oi, Nate! You'll never know where did I get these songs from, okay? It's from TikTok. Yeah, to the house. Confidence. Oh, to do, and nothing else to do. It's confidence. Yeah. You're in the mood, and take you to the mood. It's like a movie scene. Table for two. Okay, so it said, you're in the mood, and take you to the mood. Yeah, I'm saving up. I'm saving up. Wala akong pera. Guys, it means I have no money. Oh, bruh. Okay, now. For it. You done? Show in the mood and take you to the mood. Just like a movie scene. Table for two. No bit to be said. I want you instead. Show in the mood and take you to the mood. Oh, in the mood and take you to the mood. It's like a movie scene. Table for two. It's what you said. I want you instead. I stop the music. By the way, ignore where did I learn that song, okay? Okay, fine. In teacher Kiana's TikTok. Want me to show you the video later? Nah. You need it. It's good for your health. Nah. Nah, that girl, bro, bro, bro. In the video, there's a hot girl there. Not gonna lie. Yup, it's teacher Kiana. What does this girl want? What? What? I'm in a call. Wait, guys, somebody's texting me. Okay, what do they like? I hope they send me the teacher kind of videos though. I've been sorry, bro. The the teacher Kiana videos. Okay, so I can start farming. I just text to a friend. Yep, that girl that showed me the teacher Kiana videos. Why? Why did you make me place the mech? Oh yeah, you're right. Smart. You're smart. Just like me in math. Yes, yes. Wait, I think, yo, I kind of feel something in one of my tooth though. So I have to upgrade them to 1,000. Ay, 1,000 tuloy. 105. Wrong lines. Level 6? Okay, take me back to the. Okay, that's. Wait, I forgot. In total, every wave, it's gonna give you 3,000. Am I right? I'm good in math. Am I right? I'm good. Yep. I got second in a math competition. Why? Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Wait, nah. No, not 1,000. More than 1,000, right? Okay, come on, just be quick. Yes. Okay, so where do I here? Like right here. Okay. Okay, so guys, it's kind of taking forever. Bro, one more skip then I might get it. It won't fit. There you go. He's he was just too fat, okay? He was just too fat. He was just too fat. Okay, so no. Oh, okay. Maybe you're right. Okay, so okay, guys. So that's the end of the video. So bye.